Welcome back to the channel, Tip Squad. We are celebrating cameraman hubby. Y'all know my channel would be a channel if I didn't have my husband. He does all my editing, he does all my recording. I'm giving him a little break right now. I'm recording myself, which I do from time to time, but you know, majority of the time that's what he's doing. But my husband is turning the big 40, the big 40, October the 22nd. So my mother-in-law, big shout out to my in-laws, like they did the thing with planning because I couldn't be involved with much of the planning because, you know, I'm always like doing something between work and our kids, like always having softball games, soccer games, like always have something extra they have to do. So of course I couldn't be part of the planning a whole lot, but my sister-in-laws, my mother-in-laws, like they have been awesome and helped to plan my hubby big 40th birthday party. And we are here celebrating him. This is part of the celebration today. Y'all know I'm gonna take y'all in there for a little bit so y'all can see. And y'all know it wouldn't be a party if we didn't, you know, incorporate Harley-Davidson in there. Y'all know, like, that's what we do. I got my love for Harley-Davidson through my husband because, you know, his love of riding bikes. He introduced me, and of course to get on to the Harley-Davidson, he introduced me to that as well. That's the theme. It's kind of like, not necessarily the theme, but the color scheme that we're going with for this party. I got to show the cake and everything in there. So we're doing that. And then this week, guys, Tuesday, on his actual birthday, October 22nd, we're going to be heading down to Orlando, Florida. The kids have no idea that we're going.
Today? What? Today. You're going to the trip now.
Yay! So by the time this video come out, I'm pretty sure we'll already be there. But we're going down to Disney and we're going to Universal down in Orlando, Florida. I definitely can't wait. It's been a while. We hadn't had a vacation in a while. So I'm excited about that. So we got a lot of things going. I'm ready to walk inside, let you guys see what's going on. Of course, you know, I won't be able to run the camera so much because we have music going on in there. We have a DJ. Because, yeah, we're going to get our party on a little bit. And y'all know I had to get a little dressed up, a little cute for hubby tonight. And got to show cameraman in the camera as well.
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over.
All right, we're getting ready to sing Happy Birthday. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Granny! I want to do it.
Why? Why?
Y'all, I'm a little exhausted still. Last night we had such a great and amazing time for my husband's celebrating his early birthday. Today is Sunday, and on Tuesday, on my husband's actual birthday on October 22nd, we are heading down to Orlando, Florida to go down to Disney and to Universal. My kid's gonna be super excited, so I'm spending today trying to get all packed for that because I don't really have any other day to do it besides today. So I gotta do that. And even though EJ needs some more TLC right now because on my last video, I'm sure you guys have already watched. If you hadn't already watched it, make sure you go back and check that video out. I went to spend time with family, but I got to catch some back roads and ride, and I ended up riding at night. And coming down those back roads, y'all, look at the bugs that EJ caught. Yeah, y'all know me. I am not a fan of a dirty bike. I'm just not a fan of it. But I have no time to even watch. Even hubby, he doesn't even have time because a lot of times he'll surprise me, you know, and watch my bike for me or whatever. He'll be like, hey babe, you know, I did something special for you. He know that's what makes me smile. It makes me blush when he, you know, take care of my babies for me. But even he doesn't have time to do it. But I'm not upset because we're gonna go do something fun as a family and create more memories that you guys should be out there doing if you hadn't already been able to create memories. Memories last for a long time.
Set until forever.
Make sure you're getting out and enjoying life. You work so hard and you need to do things that you enjoy besides ride motorcycles. We all know we enjoy doing that. Speaking of riding motorcycles, some of you guys may have to put your bike up on a tender because the weather is starting to turn, starting to get a little bit colder. And that's not fun for some of us. And you're not able to ride because of the snow and things like that. But here in North Carolina, in certain areas of North Carolina, I'm fortunate enough I can ride year round. All I have to do is get on, put on my heated gear, plug up, and I still can ride whenever time permits. Because y'all know, whenever hubby and I, we get a chance to get out and ride, because we either got a softball game or something we gotta attend, but we're gonna take advantage of the times we can, whether if it's a short distance ride, long distance ride, we're gonna get it in, we're gonna get out, and we're gonna ride. But because like I was stating earlier, the weather's kind of changing for some of us, we gotta plug up and put some heated gear on. And when it comes to plugging in your heated gear on any model that was 2023 and prior, you had different options to plug up your heated gear. And I can show you on EJ and Shirley kind of the different ways that we did it. So on Shirley, what hubby did was he had an adapter that he plugged up to his battery tender for his heated gear instead of him, before I say that, well, over here on EJ, what mine says, we have it hardwired straight to the battery. Now, if you have a passenger, this will work better for your passenger, which I don't have to worry about that too much. Neither does he, but he wants to unplug his own heated gear in that way, which you can do it either way on those. Thank you, Harley-Davidson. Y'all made it easier on the 2024 models and beyond, which I'm gonna show you guys how you can hook up your heated gear for that. So over here on Meg, if y'all been following me, y'all know this is Meg, this is EJ. So I'm gonna show you how Harley-Davidson simplified it so where you can plug up your heated gear and you don't have to do all those different ways to plug in your heated gear, which is always, we love to be simple. We love to be easy because we always wanna get in, get out, get on the bike and go. So we're gonna take a look at that. So we're gonna get the seat off, we're gonna take a look at everything in here and you can see how much easier it is to get everything plugged up. I feel like I got a bad angle. When you have a two-piece seat, you gotta do a little bit more work. We're almost there. All right. Let's place everything here. Now that I have the seat off and everything's exposed here, here it is here. You have two of your connectors right here for your heated gear. Look, and they made it even easier. It says heated gear there. So we're gonna pop them out. Boom, you pop them out. This is where it says heated gear right in there. Now, of course, with these two cords here, it looks, you might need to extend it a little bit. But just by me eyeballing it and looking at it, it looks like I can probably pull these out and go under here a little bit and pull them out and have them go here, and I'll have a little bit more room and I have more cord here to extend to. So I'm gonna get it worked out and pull them through to see if that works out and see if we made magic by doing it. We made the magic work, y'all. So what we were able to do, like once you pop your two lines here, because they kind of run under this cord here, all you had to do is kind of work it out. And once you got it out, you gained you about 2 to 3 more inches. with them being able to hang off a little bit. So once I'm gonna get the seat back on, and we'll really be able to test it out to see how much extension that we got from that. But of course, you know, I only need one of these because it's just me riding. So I'll end up putting one back, but I have one of them sitting out. So now that I got that, I'm gonna go run upstairs, grab my heated gear, put the seat back on and everything, and we're gonna plug it all in to see how it works and see how comfortable it is. All right, I grabbed my jacket real quick, so I'm gonna put it on. We're gonna sit down on the bike. All right, girl, let's do this. All right, and as you can see right here, with the seat back on, we still have quite a bit that we can use. All right, y'all, I just realized it's a little dark in here. So we're gonna take the bike, we're gonna move it out the garage so you guys can see it a little bit better, because now that I'm on it, I don't want any shadows or anything blocking the view. Y'all know I gotta love y'all. I appreciate y'all, because look, I just put this hot behind coat on to go out here in this sun to show y'all how this works. And I'm gonna plug it up and turn it on. Woo, Lord, I love y'all. Y'all have busted out a sweat in this coat, in this heat, in this sun, to show you guys the heated gear. I did all the sweating and it did not work, y'all. So if you're trying to plug it up from the back, from the front, either way, it's not long enough if you have the Harley-Davidson heated gear. Now my husband, with the brand heated gear that he has, it would probably work for his, because it's this connector and everything is on the side of his jacket. So it would probably work for him. But with the Harley-Davidson heated gear, being that it's in the front, it's not long enough to extend down to reach your connector here, whether you place it here or if you try to go for the front, it's not gonna work. So I do have to get the extension to connect it. Now for EJ, it works perfect because I have it right here in the front. Boom, it's already, I can plug it in there. But for Meg here, it's not gonna work. I guess we can thank Harley-Davidson for making it easier for having it being connected and you don't have to hot wire anything. Harley-Davidson, you could have made this just a little bit longer so it can connect and you don't have to do any extra, get any extra pieces or anything to connect. But I want to show you guys once I sit on EJ how easy it is for me to connect it on that one, versus I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work for Meg. So although the 2024s and beyond, they already come wired and everything, you don't have to hot wire anything, and the adapter and everything is already there for you, it's not long enough for you to reach your heated gear unless you have another brand. I'm not sure about that. As you can see, I've already unzipped this. I gotta come out this coat, y'all. It's hot. I'm already sweating. I love y'all, but I'm sweating enough. All right, y'all, I'm about to get ready to get these bikes back in the garage, dirty and all. Y'all don't talk about me. EJ's gonna eventually get clean one day. But we're gonna get the bikes back in the garage. We'll finish this up. Make sure y'all check for these trip videos that's gonna be coming up. I'm excited. Like, a vacation is needed. It's been a while. So I'm excited. I know my kids are gonna be super excited, and I can't wait to go to bring y'all this content, because y'all know we're gonna have us a good time. A good old time. I hadn't said that in a long time. So let me get these bikes in the garage real quick. So as y'all can see, I'm back in the garage again. The coat is back on. I could not end this video without trying to find a solution. So I have extender here. This is my husband's. This goes to his heated gear here. And what I plan to do, I'm gonna plug it up and see if it works. And if it works, they make one that is longer than this. So what I plan to do is we're gonna put this back under the seat, and I intend on wiring it where it comes out up front, like I have it on EJ, which on EJ, because he's hardwired to the battery. And I know I said it earlier, I probably said hot wire. Y'all, I'm so hot. Hot is on my mind, okay? But it's hardwired, which this is what comes with your heated gear if you have the Harley-Davidson heated gear here. And this is what I use on EJ, and I was able to run it and put it up front here, and I had that. Y'all seen how much extension I got from that. So if this extender works out, I intend to order a longer one, and that way I can have it to come out front versus having it on the side. So let's give it a go and see what we get. All right, here goes to more heat, y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. It's hot out here, but all right, the bike's on. Let's turn it on the jacket. I'm going ahead and turn it on high because I want it to go ahead and get hot so I can take this coat off. I'm already feeling the heat, and I ain't got time out here, y'all, to be playing with this heat because it's hot. But as you can see, it works. Make sure you keep some extra fuses as well with your heated gear, because you don't want to be out on the road and you're cozy and all of a sudden it stopped working. So keep you some fuses on hand. I'm sitting here heating up. I'm getting hot. We found a solution, y'all. So this is the solution here. I'm gonna go online. I'm gonna order me an extender. We're gonna wire it, like I said, up front. And look, I'm ready to ride again. So cold weather is not stopping me. We don't get snow here, and we're on the road again. All right, hubby, it's hot. I gotta get off. Let me turn this heat gear off, y'all. I'm hot. All right, I turned it off, got it unplugged. Like I said, y'all, I ain't got time to play in this heat no more, and these gnats are coming back. I gotta finish packing because we got a trip to make. And I'm excited about that content again, y'all. Like, I'm excited. So I'm gonna get everything put back up. I'm about to go in the house, finish getting packed. And the next video y'all gonna see, we're gonna be in that Florida heat, y'all, and not in this North Carolina heat with this hot heated gear on. So love you guys. Make sure you guys drop those comments down below. If you hadn't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, because guess what? Tiffany and Renee gonna keep bringing the heat just like the heat. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe already. We're on our way to 200,000 subscribers. Somebody coming in the neighborhood with a street bike. I learned my lesson now. I grew up a little bit. Nah, no shade to anybody still ride street bikes. But look, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.